How to find channels on Telegram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application on your device and make sure that you have the latest version of Telegram application on your device. So let's first search for Telegram, and as you can see on the screen, there is no option of update over here, which means we have the latest version of Telegram application. So we're going to tap on open, and as we tap on open, it will land us to Telegram page over here where you must make sure that you log into your account. Now when you want to search or find channels on Telegram, tap on this magnifying glass icon at the top right corner of the screen and then tap on the search bar and search for any channel that you would like to look after. So I'm going to select a very random one over here and tap on the channel section, and as you tap on channel section you can just search for the channels over here, and here you'll be able to see different channels, so you can select the correct one, and that's how you'll be able to find the channels on Telegram. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.